To draw an easy crown, start by drawing a bit of a sausage. So this is the kind of soft ermine bit, that the furry bit which sits on the head, which makes it comfortable. You don't want to be wearing a huge, great, sharp, heavy metal crown. And then I'm going to draw a curve going up there and a curve going up there like that. Now you want to start with another curve right in the middle, come up to the top slightly higher, and then we want to do a curve like that and a similar one going that way, and then we'll draw a curve going up there and a curve going up there, and then we can follow that underneath there like that, and then we're going to do these kind of fleur-de-lis up on the top here like that. So you want to go up and across like that, and here we go, up and just the one on the side, up and just the one on the side. We can go up and then to the side, so it's like a figure of 8 going like that. Then flick little bits in there, so it's like a leaf with the little rib going down the middle. We're going to put some dots carefully all the way down the middle here. And then we want a nice big jewel there. This one here will be just slightly smaller, like that. And then we're going to want one that's sort of sticking out the side. And then we can put little ones in between. And we'll put a bit of sort of shade in them there like that, and then that will be the shininess on the jewels. And there you go, how to draw a really simple crown. And there you go, how to draw a crown. There you go, how to draw a simple crown, real easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.